everyone, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today we will be learning about one of the many apps about which we should be alert. Although there are many other apps of which we should remain alert, but today we will be talking about QS app or Quick Support app. This app is a mobile version of TeamViewer app which can be easily installed from Playstore or App Store. If you don't know about TeamViewer app, let me tell you that it is an app which is installed in PCs or laptops to take the access of any remotely located computer. After its installation, everything in the computer can be accessed. Similar is the QS app, but it is to take the access of mobile phones and computers located at remote location. It is basically used for the thing that if you have any problem in your PCs or mobile phones, the company person can download this app and use this for troubleshooting. But these days, fraudsters are using this app widely. So they will call you up and tell you that they are calling from so and so company and that your KYC or documentation which is not complete is need to be completed with the help of this app. And for completing the documentation, you need to download this app. These people have this app already installed in their phones, and once you download this app, everything which is on your phone will be visible to them and they can access it too. Your passwords, messages, apps, call details, contacts, everything. Therefore, you have to be beware of this fraud. They can also access your bank details and transfer all the amount you have in there. So don't download this app or share any passwords or OTPs with anybody. Be alert and be safe. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this information, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will keep on bringing such useful information to you. Bye-bye.